Ryan Gass here, PTPGun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to field strip and reassemble this Smith & Wesson SD40VE. Now, the first thing we do when we have any firearm we're going to take apart, we need to make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to double check. We're going to drop the magazine out of the firearm, set it to the side. We're going to go ahead and check the chamber, make sure the chamber is clear and there's no magazine in the magazine well. And we're good to proceed. Now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to point the firearm in a safe direction. We're going to pull that slide back. We're going to let go. All right. Now, much like on the Glocks and the Tauruses, we're going to have this piece right here, which is on both sides. We need to take that piece, and as you can see, it's up, it's elevated. We need to pull it down into that void, all right? Now, it's gonna be not possible for you to do that unless you have the slide back a little bit. You can do that by pulling the slide back a little bit like so, or you can push it down in the table, whatever works best for you, all right? I'm gonna do it like this so you can better see. I'm gonna pull the slide back a little bit. We're gonna take that tab, I have my thumb on one side, my middle finger on the other. I'm pinching in and pulling down and releasing that slide forward. Now the slide will not come off unless I pull that trigger. You saw it jolt forward. Now I can go ahead and freely take that slide off of the frame. Now the frame, this is as far as we're gonna take apart this frame for field stripping purposes. So I'm going to take that, set it to the side. And now with our slide upside down, we have our spring and our spring guide. We're gonna take that spring guide, we're gonna press it just a little bit, we're gonna pull it up and out and set that to the side. We have our barrel as well, we're gonna push that up and out, set it to the side, and then we have our slide. All right. From here, you can do any type of cleaning and or maintenance you might need to do to your Smith & Wesson SD40VE. Now let's go ahead and get back into reassembly. For reassembly, all right, we're gonna drop the barrel down into the slide, muzzle first. All right. We're gonna take the spring guide, I'm gonna insert that into the slide, compress that spring down, all right. Now we're gonna go ahead and insert the top of the frame into the back rear end of the slide. All right, we're gonna keep it matched up. We're gonna pull it all the way back and let go. All right. From here, we're gonna do a function check on the firearm to make sure that we put it back together properly, because at times we're humans and we make mistakes. So point the firearm in a safe direction. We're gonna go ahead and pull that trigger and let go. We're gonna pull that slide back and let go. Let's do it one more time. Pull the trigger, let go, pull the slide back and let go. Now we're gonna pull the trigger, we're gonna hold the trigger to the rear. Holding the trigger to the rear, we're gonna pull that slide back, let go. We're gonna release the trigger until we hear and feel that click. Then we're gonna pull the trigger again to the rear and hold it to the rear, pull the slide back, let go, and then release the trigger all the way forward. For more videos on how to take apart your firearm, go to our channel on YouTube, PTPGun.com, Firearms Training, and subscribe as we post new videos each and every week on Fridays showing you how to take apart various handguns. And if there's any material ones you haven't yet seen yet, go ahead and put it in the comments below and let us know, and we'll get that one made as well for you and out soon. Also, go to our website, PTPGun.com, and pick up any shirts, hats, hoodies, cups, or even decals to help support your local favorite firearms training center, PTPGun.com. Thank you all again, stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.